The world's population growth and uncertain climatic conditions are evidently squeezing world food matters and endangering millions of people. According to the UNDP and IMF, Pakistan is one of the top most water-scarce countries and likely to run out of water in the coming decades. The continuous increase in global temperatures and higher consumption by agriculture and food production is intensifying the water scarcity we see today. As a direct result, on a daily basis, millions of people are deficit of food and basic nutrition. Food security needs serious attention for the strategic and sustainable use of our available resources with an aim to produce safe and nutritious food for all and help to achieve the Zero Hunger UN SDG ambition. There are about 470 million smallholder farmers across the globe that play a significant role in food production. In Pakistan alone, more than 8 million smallholders who own less than 5 hectares, but their contribution is 80% in overall food production. They harvest a low crop yield, typically 50% lower than larger farms, and due to the lack of access to quality input, real-time knowledge of crop health, climate change, and changing weather patterns, they have endured uncertainty in their growing conditions. Pakistan has lost almost 2/3 of its revenue generating its cotton crop due to these uncertainties. These farmers are facing a direct threat from climate change, causing increased risk of pests and diseases, poor soil, and water management. A team of young Pakistani researchers worked alongside the UK team to help develop this SAWiE app using remote sensing and satellite applications together with machine learning and data fusion technologies. The SAWiE online platform provides unbiased farm advisory services to a range of audiences about how to better management crops, produce more from less nutrients and water, encourage sustainable agriculture practices, and help policymakers with data insight to make informed decisions to tackle the food security and climate change crisis. One of the features of the app is the daily advisory alerts. These alerts are issued covering information on the selection of crops, their varieties, time of sowing, irrigation, fertilizer application, integrated pest management, weed control, appropriate time of harvesting, and guide farmers about crop inputs and output prices, etc. SAWiE aims to reach out to millions of smallholder farmers to help them to be efficient, sustainable, be able to increase production, and ultimately increase their income whilst protecting natural resources including water, biodiversity, and air quality. For more information, please download SAWiE app or visit www.sawie.net.